Today's video is an unboxing video of Signy Pro 2-in-1 Lens Kit. So let us open. This has the logo on it and is a hard box. There is a hard case inside it which has a beautiful keychain which you can attach it on your bag or anywhere you can take it easily. So let us open this case. This is our lens kit. The box also contains some of the cards which has instruction manual in it and has a detailed instruction as to how to use it. So along with this kit you get details of some other products of this company. This is the clip. The lens has two protective covers on both the sides. So let us open it. So there are two lenses inside it. One is the micro lens and another is the macro lens. So you can use it for various purposes. So first step is you have to attach the lens with the clip. Make sure the clip is attached and fixed properly so that it doesn't fall off from your phone. Make sure you don't have a back cover of your phone and attach the lens accordingly and adjust the focus of the camera. So as per your convenience you can adjust the clip. Your phone along with Signy Pro 2-in-1 lens is ready, and now you can use your phone for some beautiful photos and videos